Baby girl, I know I said some things the other night. Baby girl, I said some things that I regret. That made you walk up and leave out that door, baby. But I just want to let you know that I'm sorry. Girl, you know it take a big man, you know, for some man to even sit up and say that they're sorry. For most of them feel that they're right. But baby girl, I was wrong. And that's why I just want to say to you, I'm sorry what I have done. You yes to you. Yes, baby. I know what I did was untrue, baby. And I want to make it up to you, girl. That's why I need you back with me, baby. To let me show you that the love that I have in my heart is true. And it's only for you. I miss the big brown eyes of yours. Staring into mine. Yes, I'm sorry. Oh, so sorry. So girl, come on back home and let me make it up to you, baby. You know, we do things that and say things that we don't really mean. That's why I say, I'm so sorry for what I have done. To you, yes to you. Ooh. I'm sorry. So baby, come on back home and let me make it up to you, girl. Let me do the things that you love me to do for you. I'll make it up to you day and night. I'll make it alright with you. 'Cause baby, I am very sorry.